Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Lila. If you are new here and you like the content of our channel, please don't forget to subscribe or hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for our new uploads. Today is another cooking episode and we will be making siomai. I will be showing you two ways to cook siomai. We will be using the same ingredients for both siomai, except for the last part. One way to cook the siomai is to steam it. We will be needing water for steaming, or you can fry it using cooking oil. Here are the ingredients: 1 kilo ground chicken, 1 cup minced shrimp, 1/4 cup sesame oil, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 cup minced white mushroom, 2 teaspoons chicken powder, 1 large yellow onion minced, 1 cup minced carrots, 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 egg, and a packet of wonton wrappers. For the procedure, set aside your wonton wrapper and combine the rest of the ingredients in a mixing bowl. You may use a spatula or you may use your clean hands. And when you're done mixing, you lay a piece of wonton wrapper in a plate. Scoop about a tablespoon of the mixture and place it in the center of the wrapper. And wrap the mixture by folding the sides until the meat mixture is enclosed. Do these steps until the mixture is consumed. Actually, siomai is one of the meals we called make-ahead meal. It means that you can make the siomai ahead of time. So you'll make it now. If you are not busy, if you have extra time, you do the preparation and then you just put it in a container and place it inside your freezer. And if you want to cook it, you just have to remove it from the freezer and thaw it or defrost it in your microwave, or just leave it outside in room temperature and it will thaw it by itself and cook it. You can either steam or fry the siomai. If you want to know the ingredients for the siomai sauce, I will upload it in my next video. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Till next time. Bye.